Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant Vanguard not running error. First, we need to make sure the Vanguard service is running. Press the Windows key and type Services, and press Enter. A new window will open. Scroll down the list and find the service called VGC. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Startup Type section, select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Then click on Start to run the service. After that, click Apply and then OK. Next, we will run the Riot client or Valorant as an administrator. Go to your desktop and find the Riot client or Valorant shortcut. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. This gives the game the permissions it needs to start Vanguard properly. If the error is still there, reinstall Riot Vanguard. Open the Windows search and type Add or Remove Programs. Open Installed Apps and find Riot Vanguard in the list. Click on it and choose Uninstall. After it is removed, restart your PC. Once your system is back on, open the Riot client again. Vanguard will install automatically. After installation, restart your PC one more time and try launching Valorant again. Thanks for watching.